lights are ready! Kathy, come to my slumber party! Sure! Should we ask that stuck-up girl Amanda? The most popular girl in school? We can try! Amanda, come to my slumber party! Okay, if I'm not busy. Awesome! See you! Hi! Come to my slumber party! Like I have nothing else to do! A slumber party! Hey! Something terrible happened! Your car skidded and we drove into a river! The car sank! No! My car! I think I know how to get revenge on my sister! Kathy! Penny! The party is starting! Hi, Amanda! Hello! Oh! Who is that? Hi! I'm Felicia! But you can call me Redhead! Fine! Come on in! Selfie Lips are ready! Wow! Teach us how to do it! Please! Alright, watch closely! You have to line your lips like this. Top and bottom. Got it? Okay, let's try! It was pretty easy! Amanda, what do you think? It'll be okay if you add a filter. The girls are in the middle of a horror movie. A zombie! How can you watch this? So boring. Penny, we're out of popcorn. Okay, Amanda, I'll get some. What's over there? Holy BTS! Who screamed? Was it Penny? I'll check. What happened? Penny! It's a cardboard zombie. It was just a joke. You watch too many horror movies. Penny is so funny. I have to film this. The girls are getting bored. A pillow fight can fix it. My wig! Closet! Right now! Amanda's pillow is stuffed with money. Whoa! So much money! Yeah, I'm only popular because of this. All my Insta stories are about money. Do you like my headband? Sew a piece of satin fabric. Fill it with stuffing. Make 3 different pillows. Sew them. Glue them to a headband. Whoa! I want one too! How about we make a money dress? Love it! A new profile pic! Aw, man! The chips are gone! Should we order a pizza? Well, fine. Pizza's here! Don't worry, I'll get it! Good afternoon! Did you order a pizza? Yeah, you need to sleep. But I don't want to. You do. Penny's in for a surprise. Your pizza! Enjoy! He's weird. Pizza! Finally! Stop! No touching! It's Jimin! He's a K-pop genius! He sings like an angel and dances like a god! But the girls are starving. You ate him! What else do you do with a pizza? A pizza on your lips. A workout for your hips. What about my abs? They are gone without a trace. Why are you such a baby? You can contour them. How? You just have to know how to paint. And now you have a six-pack.
Wow.
You're welcome. Hold on. I'm gonna be X's. I win! makes it a party. Fanta for the girls. What's this? Brother's property? Do not touch? You wish. Now I have to eat this ice cream. Oh, a toothpick? This ice cream had a trap. Phil! Looks like Redhead and Amanda are getting along. Girls, let's do a photo shoot. Bad idea. Oh man. Don't worry, Penny. I have a great idea. Selfie masks. Glue a skewer to a piece of foam paper. Add a sticker with a caption. Cut it out. Make stickers for fun pictures. Wow! Let's take a few selfies right now. Redhead! Look at these awesome masks! Let's take some selfies too! Okay! Smile! This is the best slumber party ever! Girls, let's see our fortunes! Whoever you get is your boyfriend! Oh! Mine is handsome! Amanda, you're next! He's cute! Redhead, your turn! Penny should do it! Sneaky Felicia managed to swap the origami! What? He's ugly! Why me? Stop crying! I have fortune cookies! For me? No, it's for me! Happiness is under your bed. Interesting. What's there? What's wrong with her? Let's see. Broccoli covered in slime. Weird. Let's show it to Amanda. Amanda, it's okay. That's just broccoli. Girls doing each other's hair is the best part of the party. I am about to go crazy. My wig! Redhead, you are so much fun. You never talk. Oh, your hair. I know a life hack. Put a wet wipe on a hairbrush. Let's brush your hair. And remove the wipe along with whatever's left on it. You need to try this hairspray. It'll help. Thanks a lot. Every slumber party should have face masks. I can't decide. Don't worry, I have a great mask. It works right away. I really recommend it. Take a dry fabric face mask. Cover it with mini temporary tattoos. Pack it. Really? Looks nice. Okay. I have to get this. It's time. Take your masks off. Whoa! Awesome! I hope this mask is actually good. Well? Kathy, look! What are you looking at? My beautiful face! It's a disaster! Don't worry! Let's support Amanda! Here! Now it's a hot new trend! Selfie! What? No! How could she? That's unbelievable! Penny, what's wrong? Do you see this? She ditched my party and went to another one instead. And it's not my party. Enough! You with the green face. You're asking for it. I'll take care of her. Where did she go? And she has my phone. No one hurts my sister except me. I have an idea. Cover a carnival mask with plastic wrap. Fill it with the snack. Put it on a plate. Remove the wrap. Scoop out an avocado. Add spices and lemon juice. Make guacamole. Coat the mask. Hi! This is what happens to people who don't come to our party. What is it? Girls, come on! That's guacamole! This is good! Is Penny asleep? It's time for a prank! Glue and a marker! Shh! We're home! The girls are sleeping so tight! Mom, Dad, you're back! Penny, what is that? Tattoos? We left for one night and look what happened! What are you talking about? What?
Oh no.
It's not real!
Oh no.
Mom, look! The plan worked! What? Was that you? I'm holding him! Go, Kathy! Oh no! Help me! Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us if you like slumber parties. And don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.